Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Stepping Stone Tutorials.
So viewers, we are back again with another brand new chapter of class 8 physics. The chapter name is chemical effects of electric current. So the topics to be covered in this chapter are, first is the introduction, wherein we will learn what is basically is electric current, then what is a conductor, then what are the good conductors and poor conductors of electric current. Then we will see if liquids do conduct electricity or not. We will describe an activity to test the same. Then we will demonstrate an activity to see the chemical effects of electric current. And finally, after learning about the chemical effects of electric current, we will look into the applications of chemical effects of electric current, like electroplating, purification of metals, etc. So electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electrons in a conductor. Now what is a conductor? So conductor is any material that allows electricity to pass through them. And remember, electric current will only flow if we provide a closed path to it. That should predominantly consist of a conducting wire and a power source. Electric current is the rate of flow of electrons. Some of you might ask, what is an electron? You all know what is an atom. Every material, every substance is made up of atoms. The smallest particle of any substance is an atom. Now, every atom is again made up of some subatomic particles like protons, neutrons and electrons. Now, the structure of the atom is such that there is a nucleus. The nucleus consists of the protons and the neutrons, and the electrons, they revolve around the nucleus in certain orbits. They keep on revolving. The structure is similar to that of our solar system. You can imagine the nucleus as the sun and the electrons as the planets revolving around the sun. Now these particles of subatomic particles of the atom also carry some charges. The protons carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge, and the neutrons are neutral. They do not carry any charges. You might have seen such sort of wires at your home. So here in this picture you can see copper wires. So copper is a good conductor of electricity and hence it can be used for conducting electricity at your home. Now these wires are covered with some plastic covering. Why? Because plastic is a poor conductor of electricity. So if you by any chance touch these wires, you do not get an electric shock. So now, till now we have seen that copper, aluminium, etc. are good conductors of electricity, while plastic, rubber, wood, etc. are poor conductor of electricity. But all these are solid substances. So in a similar way, do liquids also conduct electricity? We will get our answer by performing an activity. In this activity, we will test two liquids for conduction of electricity, salt solution and distilled water, one by one. So here you can see there is an experimental setup where we have taken salt solution in a beaker and we have used a wire and conducting wire, a battery and a bulb. And in this case, we will see that the bulb glows. So the glowing of the bulb in this case tells us that salt solution conducts electricity. So in the second setup, we will take distilled water. Here we will see that the bulb doesn't glow. So this shows that distilled water does not conduct electricity. In other words, this distilled water is not a conducting liquid, or we can say that it is a poor conductor of electricity, whereas in the first case the bulb was glowing, right? So this means that the salt solution that we used was a good conductor of electricity. We can also perform this experiment by taking glucose solution, alcohol solution, milk, vegetable honey. In all these cases, we will see that the bulb does not glow at all. This means that glucose solution, distilled water, alcohol solution, milk, they are all poor conductor of electricity. But if we perform the experiment by taking sulfuric acid solution, sodium hydroxide solution, common salt solution, or vinegar or lemon juice, we will see that the bulb glows. This means that all these are good conductors of electricity.